Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to clear browser cache in Google Chrome. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Then click on the three dots, which are in the top right corner of the screen. This following menu will show up. Now you want to click on Settings button, then go to Privacy and Security. Here you will see clear browsing data. Then Google Chrome is going to open up this window where we can clear our browsing data. We can see two different sections on this window. We have the Basic section and the Advanced section. Make sure that Basic is selected, and then we can play around with these options. The first option is the state range. We can select to clear the cache from our browser from the last hour, the last 7 days, or all time if we want to all select all time, and then we can continue with the next step. You can uncheck the browsing history section if you don't want to delete your history and the websites that you visited. We only want to delete our browser cache cookies and other stuffs, so I will leave that checked. After that, you want to click on the Clear Data button, and that is essentially it. We've now successfully cleared our Google Chrome cache, and it should run faster, smoother, and without any problems. You just want to exit it and relaunch it, and that's it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.